Good afternoon, third grade parents. This is the news for this week, August 20th through the 24th. For right now, what special schedule I have on the newsletter is correct. They are making an updated schedule because we have some teachers that are missing some specials. But for right now, we're going to go with what I have. So tomorrow we have music and PE. Kids, don't forget to wear your PE shoes or bring your PE shoes with you to change into. In math, we begin Module 1, which is Properties of Multiplication and Division. We're working on Units 2 through 5 and 10. Today, our lesson was about understanding equal groups and multiplication. And homework will come home daily, except for Fridays, with 2 to 3 problems for students to complete. The kids have a math homework book here at school, and so each night they tear out the sheet that they are assigned and they circle the problems that they're supposed to complete. We write this in our agenda, which looks like this. They should have came home with this filled out today, and then they highlight, right there, they highlight their homework, which shows which problems to do. So if they get their homework and they say they don't know what problem to do, they pull out their agenda. They should have wrote down what numbers that they're supposed to do on their homework. In reading today, we started our Unit 1, which is about being a good citizen. Our story is called A Fine, Fine School. Our skill is story structure. In phonics, we're working on short vowels and words with the VCC pattern. For fluency, we're practicing accuracy. Homework was sent home today for reading, and it's a front and back sheet on a pink colored paper. They are not to do all of that in one night. That is the homework for reading for the whole week. So they could do one section tonight, another section Tuesday, another section Wednesday, another section Thursday. It just has to come back on Friday to turn in. In writing, we're working on narrative writing and descriptive paragraphs. In decoding, we're identifying syllables within words. And for science, which our science time was today, Ms. Wright, our counselor, met with the students to talk about bullying and harassment, which they should have a pamphlet that came home today in their homework folder also. Reminder, students have homework each night. Please check your student's agenda and homework folder to know what they have been assigned. Uniforms, something that Ms. Wright talked about during the Welcome Back Assembly last week was that students need to be in dress code. If they're not, we're told to send them to the office. They need to have on a red, navy blue, or white top with navy or khaki bottoms. Jackets and sweatshirts that the kids are sent to school in and they want to wear them during the day have to be the same colors as the uniform tops. And the only important dates we have are our fundraiser assembly, which was today. And students came home with a fundraiser packet of things to sell. I'm not sure what the turn-in date is. When I get an update on that, I'll send a message through Class Dojo. We had a great Monday today. And I think that's it. Have a great week. And if you need to get a hold of me, please don't hesitate. Thank you.